course on Gmail on iPhone and iPad. Learn how to add Gmail, iPhone, and iPad iOS 7, 11.2.5 latest. Navigate inside Gmail, creating a new email and adding photo. This video takes you inside Gmail. Creating an email in Gmail 2 different ways. Learn what you use CCC, BCC for. Send an email and learn where the sent folder is. Creating draft email inside Gmail, deleting folders in Gmail, learning where the junk folder is, notifications in Gmail, creating a signature file that shows you some of what the content is in the full Gmail course. That takes you by the hand and shows you step by step everything you need to know to have confidence moving forward.
Once inside this signature course, you will see, it's just chock full of rich content that allows you to learn with ease. If you like what you have heard so far, you are going to love this signature course and the learning platform. We are excited to be offering you this course, and it can help you with solving your problems, from wondering how, to giving you the confidence moving forward in achieving what it is that you are wanting to do with total ease.
I would like to give you some insight into this course. It was inspired by a friend of Steven's that wanted to add Gmail account to his iPhone, and there were many other people continuing to asking Steven many questions like how to change passwords, how to cancel Apple 3-month subscription before the time ran out, how to set up signature file, how to add photo to email, how to create a new folder, and many more questions that have led the way into this 4-part mini Gmail course. Stephen Hickey is very passionate about helping people with their technology needs, as he has many years of experience in working with computers, tablets, and smartphones, helping people just like you. And he is very good at solving small to big problems centered around your technology. So you are in good hands. We want to give you a warm welcome to GIT, Get Into Technology. We want to thank you for signing up for this 4-part mini Gmail course. Oftentimes we are not sure how to do something on our iPhone and or iPad that causes us to get frustrated and not sure where to look for the answer. So we end up just leaving it and saying to ourselves, I will come back to that later, and later has been forgotten. Sure, there is the option to look online, and oftentimes you don't find what you are looking for, or you do and it's hard to get a clear answer to your problem. So this 4-part mini course was put together with you in mind. We can relate, as we both know how frustrating it can be not knowing the answer to our most pressing questions. This course has been well thought out so you can learn faster, better, and easier. Once you start your first video tutorial, you will notice how it takes you by the hand and shows you step by step, which makes it fun and effective in learning. So what you want to do first, after this video has ended, is to click Next down below, or on the right side, depending what device you are watching this on. That will take you to your first video lesson in this course, which is Add Photo to Email. We recommend you follow along on your device of your choosing. You will learn more effectively, and you are 35 times more effective in retaining what you have learned.
You can always come back and rewatch the video lesson. You can also rewind the video by just tapping on different areas of the playhead in the video lesson that you are watching. This makes it really easy for you. That was one of our main goals, to give you rich content that has a lot of value and to make it easy for you to learn. Stephen Hickey, the creator of these videos, will take you by the hand through each lesson in this 4-part mini Gmail course. So you have nothing to worry about, as you are in good hands. So there is no pressure here, and you can learn at your own pace.
So with that, we are excited for you to get started, as we are sure you are too. Before I go, GIT and I would love for you to leave a comment in the comment section after watching your video lesson. Let us know how we are doing, and how you are enjoying this 4-part mini Gmail course.
We want to thank you once again and are looking forward to a healthy long relationship with you moving forward. We at GIT have many things happening and we want you to know about them. So we will notify you of updates and new course videos, and courses, that are being released. Have yourself a wonderful day. It was my pleasure speaking with you today. Get ready for some fun and learning.